So he is going to be successful because he has that goal that what he want to be. And he's going to make it someday because, see, this is in his head that he's going to be rich. And it's going to happen, but he got to be patient because you can't, you just, as they say, you can't build something right away like that. It takes time, but he is going to be successful someday because he has that motivation.
Hello, it's me, Rowena Harris Doughty. We've already spoken too much about celebrities, so this time we've prepared for you a report about a regular day of a very regular trader.
Increase of 1.9% in utilities and a 0.3% improvement in manufacturing output. Industrial production.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, come on. A bit more. Yeah, yeah.
Are you trading currencies again? It better be porn.
No, honey, no. I'm just checking my email.
Anyway, it's time to go to work. Hurry up.
Please turn on the FX news. I need to check the economic calendar for today.
It's the closely watched preliminary University of Michigan sentiment for January. Final data revealed a 2.9-point rise for the index in December. After a slump.
Hello? Is this the University of Michigan? No, it's not a prank call. It's really me. Yes, I'm not joking. What's in your latest consumer confidence report? Really? Okay, thanks, bye. Hello, Timothy? What the is wrong with our economy? Fix it now! I'm short in Eurodollar, but the rate is to go up. Sorry, sir. You can't do anything at the moment? You need 4 years to fix it? Are you nuts? Hello? Dukascopy? Please close my position on Eurodollar. Yes, now! I lost. I lost again? Stupid economy. Yes!
No. This is not what you think.
What is wrong with that room?
What has just happened? Why have you stopped your report? Please, carry on.
Facebook fam. Y'all, how was y'all weekend, man? Happy Monday, man. How was y'all weekend? To me, I know some of y'all still have that, day off today because of, the holiday or whatever. So I hope y'all are, not only enjoying it, all right, but finding ways to start making money, building wealth. Maybe not for you, but for your little ones, all right? If you ain't motivated for yourself, think about your family, think about your little ones, because what I'm about to show you guys, all right, is, for one, what's going on if you guys haven't been tuning in to what's going on, okay? And secondly, how can this benefit you? Not me. Don't give a fuck about me. Excuse my French, all right? I know you guys are here thinking like, damn, how can I benefit from something? How, yes, this is for you guys. I'm about to put you guys onto opportunity, and it's up to you to actually take the actions. All right, y'all cool with that? I'm gonna put you on an opportunity. I'm gonna let you know what's going on, and I'm gonna let you know how to take advantage of it. All you have to do is take advantage and take action after this live. Y'all cool with that? Y'all mind if I share with y'all the secrets? All right, the inside scoop. All right, y'all cool with that? Can y'all hear me? Let's make sure y'all can hear me real good. If y'all can hear me, please like the video. If y'all can see me, please like it. I just want to make sure y'all can hear me. I don't want to go all the way through this live and then, make sure y'all can hear me. All right, cool. Yeah, give me some thumbs ups, please. I just want to make sure y'all can hear me on this live real quick. All right. Let me actually, hold on. Check. All right, I think we good. All right, thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. So, all right, I don't know if you guys knew what happened last week. All right, your boy had a record-breaking day, and if you haven't, just go, on my timeline. However, like I said, I'm here to help you guys out, and I want you guys to do this for me, okay? After this live, this is only for the people on Facebook, YouTube, and everything, because we're live all at the same time. Only for you guys right now joining me, because I appreciate your time. So, after this live, if you go to 120dreamers.com, in a second, and I'm not going to give it to you, in a second, I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you the promo code that you can use when you go to the checkout, because you're going to want to invest in yourself, learn the knowledge, learn how to do it properly, and that's what we provide, education, all right, on exactly how, what we're doing. Y'all cool with that? And I'm going to give you guys a deal that you can't refuse, a deal that you can't turn down, all right? So, most of you guys didn't know, or some of you guys do, you haven't taken action. The S&P 500, let's go to this real quick, and the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones is in most of you guys 401ks. And what a 401k is pretty much, in its most simplest term, is just you putting your money into somebody else's hands and allowing them to compound your money, make more money, for you. So what they're doing behind the scenes is they're investing and trading your money in the markets. People don't know that. I don't know, but what I'm trying to get across to you guys is this. Instead of you guys, paying somebody else, to invest your money, why not take 6 months or less, right, to buckle down, learn a skill set that can change you and your family trajectory? Like, seriously, you guys see what's been going on. Don't act like you haven't. Like I said before, we showing you these things on social media is not for, just for our health. We trying to show you guys and open your eyes like, man, this stuff is possible. This stuff is happening. I can do this, right? So that's the only reason why we're sharing all this stuff with you guys, so you can begin to say, man, if he was able to do this, I can do this. And then especially if somebody giving you the sauce, they giving you the blueprint, why couldn't you? Right? So that's my thing. Somebody giving you the blueprint, right? The, whatever you need to get to where you're trying to go, why not use that? So the S&P 500, let me switch to my chart real quick. S&P 500, let's go back to the daily time frame so I can break this all down to y'all real quick. And I'm only going to break this down to you guys one time. And it's up to you to catch on to it and actually see it. All right? So watch this. This right here is what we call the S&P 500. All right. So as you guys can see, the S&P 500 is most likely going to continue on the bullish run, meaning buyers are mainly predominantly in control of this instrument. And me knowing that as an investor, I'm able to position myself, in the shadow of those successful people over all these centuries. All right. This has been around for a long time. And this is how people have been able to get wealthy, because they found the secrets. All right. And, it's really a no-brainer. You follow what's working, all right, which is the trend, and you ride the trend. Just like how you do with the fashion trend. When Jordan come out with a new sneaker or Louis Vuitton or whatever, you follow their trend. Overalls come back out. You go ahead and buy some overall. You follow the same trend. Y'all with me? So in order to make money in these markets, you have to not try to come in and reinvent the wheel. You feel me? You have to just come in, learn what's being proven to work, right? And just follow that. So a lot of people, like I said before, they overcomplicate it, they overthink it. And that's why we begin to build this educational company so we can begin to break those barriers of us people, right? Because I was once, thinking like that. So I know, man, this is too risky. Oh, man, this is too much time. Oh, this is too complicated, right? None of those things are true, right? At all. We break that down, and then we get the person like you to start believing in yourself, start believing that you can do it, because now those thought processes is out the window. You're not thinking that it's too risky, it's too time consuming and all that, because now you know the facts. So the S&P 500, what I'm going to say is that we've been able to, ride the bullish wave of this. All right. And what I want to do for you guys that's looking to invest, starting to invest, listen to me. This is for my 9-to-5 workers. This is for my new investors out there. All right. If you're working a 9-to-5, well, you are a new investor. All right. Like the video. All right. Let me know you're there. So what I want to say to you guys is we are looking to take those people by the hand to bring them over that bridge, to show them like, hey, you've been working for money all these years. Let me show you, right, how to put your money to work for you. So now it's the opposite. Come on, man. Beast mode, right? And it's possible. And like I said, all you have to do is go to the website and you can see it for yourself. You don't have to take my word for it. But what I want to tell you guys is that the S&P 500, right, if you guys want to do this, once you come inside the 120 community, we're going to show you guys, we're going to grab you by the hand and say, hey, this is what Forex is. This is what stocks is. This is what crypto is. You talking, if you don't know anything, that's cool. We're going to walk you guys through every little step you need to be walked through. All right. And we're going to show you guys how to take that education. This is what makes us different. We give you the knowledge, right? And the education. Everybody does that. Don't get me wrong, right? Am I lying? Everybody always providing a course, education, right? But not everybody makes it full dimensional, meaning that this is not just a course that you're buying into. You're buying into and investing into yourself, and you're being a part of a community and a family that cares about you and that's going to help you, and not just say, hey, thanks for investing, holla. No, right? But then second of all, we show you guys exactly how to take that knowledge, but then how to apply it to make money with it. Because that's the most important thing. People learn all day, but how do you apply it? How do you turn it into money? How do you actually do it? And that's what we do, right? So when you invest into our program, this is what you get, right? Top notch, proven track records, all that good stuff. But we make it actionable so that a person that don't know anything about it can start taking steps towards that progression right away, not years down the line, because people want, somewhat of instant gratification, but we're not guaranteeing that. But I'm just letting you guys know what you can expect, all right, when you become a 120 dreamer, right? So once you guys, decide to make that decision, what we're going to do is show you guys how to take advantage of, Forex, stocks, crypto, and make it work for you. Make it make money for you. Generate money for you while you're slobbing on your pillow or whatever. So if that sounds good to you, check us out. Let's work, right? Because you don't want to go into 2022 still on the same little, wave that you on. Because you owe it to yourself and your family to do better, level up, find some type of monetization, like, come on, right? So that's what we're doing. And I want to update you guys, for you guys just joining, some of you guys that don't know what's going on, if you're scrolling past the video, all right? But the S&P 500 alone, watch this. We show you how to actually take advantage of this only when you join the community, because like I said, I can't give you, everything that, I can give you inside the community versus on here on live, all right? So if you need further education, go there. But what I'm going to do for you guys, because I love y'all and I care about y'all, make sure I smash that like button and share this video for me. S&P 500, I'm going to give you guys some tricks. Y'all ready for this? I'm going to give y'all some free game. So if you always look at a chart, because this is a chart we're analyzing, we're analysts / investors, we look at the chart and we make our decisions based on what happened in the past. So we are looking at this chart to the left, right? So I'm looking at this, I'm saying, okay, cool. I see a W pattern here. I see a higher low there, right? I'm reading all this data, but then I'm like, okay, cool. I'm looking at the live markets now, and what it's starting to do is look very familiar to what happened in the past, right? Y'all seeing this? So if y'all understand what I'm saying, if you catch on to that, that gives me more of a high probability of being correct on, hey, buyers are going to be more predominantly in control. Buyers going to step in. Buyers are going to, whatever. That's a gem right there. Not a lot of people, are able to, have that thought process. And I feel like a lot of people, as far as investors, new investors and everything, need to have that. Say, hey, I'm taking calculated moves and steps. So, hey, if, sellers bring the price below this higher low point, I'm going to sit back and chill. If market do this, then I'm going to do this. You need to have that type of psyche and thinking and logic when it comes to what we do. And, like I said, it's key to have a mentor in us, or somebody similar to us that's going to guide you, not just give you information and throw you out there. Because I know how that feels. I know how that feels. I was once in your shoes as far as being an investor or whatever and not knowing what to do. And I just had to find my way, honestly. But I wish I had a mentor. But everything happens for a reason. I wish I had a mentor to mentor me early on. But, I'm very grateful for what happened and, how things are going, with not having a mentor. So, I'm that for you guys because I know that wasn't there for me. I wish I had somebody on Facebook Live, what I'm saying, straight giving me game on like how to come out of my situation. Like, come on, man. Like, let's be real. No, I wish I did. And somebody so accessible. I wish I had it. Guarantee you. So, if you have somebody that you can reach out to that has a expertise in the area, don't take that for granted. Tap into that because they're charging people for their time, charging people for their skill set. All right. And, I just want to show you guys the way, man. And I'm doing that. I'm not just going to show you, but I'm going to be the way. All right. So S&P 500, let me break this down for you guys real quick. And I'm going to jump off this live real quick. So S&P 500, this is what I'm looking for the S&P 500 to do. All right. I'm looking for the S&P 500 to continue this higher high, higher low, wave pattern. So I'm looking for them to, give us a W pattern. All right. And I'm looking for them to take price higher eventually. Y'all follow me? To create a new higher high, meaning to create a new higher price. Far as what price has been in the past, we're looking for the market price to surpass that, highest price that they had previously. And what they're going to do as far as the S&P, when I say they, right, they're going to continue to do this. They've been doing this for centuries, since I've been in diapers, since I wasn't even born, since all of us. So what makes you think they're going to change up? What makes you think you can't do the same thing? I'm telling you guys, live markets, as you guys can see. All right. S&P 500, good old faithful. All right. You never can go wrong with the S&P 500. I'm telling you, I'm a living proof of it. S&P 500, most of you guys are familiar with it. If you haven't, I don't know if you've been living on a rock. I don't know. But the S&P 500 for sure is in most of you guys 401k. If you guys don't believe me, we can make a bet, a public bet right now. How many of you guys want to bet me? How many of you guys want to bet me? We can bet. Come on. Because I know for a fact that if you open your statements of the 401k and they're going to break down the segments of what they're trading your money in, you're right. Because they put your money in S&P, NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones, right? I know for sure the S&P 500 is there. You know why? And I'm going to say this. Because the S&P 500 is one of the most, if you know what we know, it's the most easiest, simplified instruments you can trade and participate in, right? And that's why they done it for all these years. That's why they promote 401k heavy for you and guarantee you all this, because they know they can park your money right there in the S&P 500 and that bad boy continue to grow. And this right here is a gem for you guys. That's the gem. That's the nugget. All right. I'm giving y'all gems before you even join the community because I care about y'all. I don't really care about that. I want you to understand, like, man, I'm doing this. I ain't even started investing. I want you to become an investor. Don't stop what you're doing, but just start putting your money to work for you. That's what I want you to do. Because if you begin to do that, then you can teach other people, right? Then you can help your family out. But you can't just work a 9 to 5 or whatever the hell it is. If you do love your job, you got to have your money working for you if you're going to work that 9 to 5. You got to have your money working for you if you're going to go chill, whatever. Just be smart about it. Why, S&P 500, man. And like I said, this is what I'm expecting to happen on S&P 500 because it has done this over and over again. So as you guys can see right here, I'm going to highlight this. You see that in that box right there? You see that W right there? They're going to create that same situation right here again. Right? Hint, hint. Go ahead and buy the S&P. No, I'm stop playing. Don't buy it right now. But we do give you guys more insight on timing, when to buy, when to sell. So if you guys are looking for those type of things, we do share those type of things inside the community, which is exclusive stuff. All right. But me personally, you can screenshot this and notate the date today because I'm telling you guys, this is probably going to be another buy low setup where we can buy the S&P, hold it like a baby, go to sleep, and wake up a millionaire or a 6-figure earner, whatever. But I'm telling you guys what's going on and open your eyes to what's going on so you can begin to take advantage of it. I like to say be advantageous because it's just like a no-brainer. All right. And this is what Forex is. This is what foreign exchange is. This is what stocks is. This is somewhat what crypto is. Okay. So don't let nobody else confuse you guys and say, oh, well, do you teach this? Do you teach that? We teach all of it because it's all the same, but a little bit of tweaks here and there. So don't let nobody oversell you anything. Don't let nobody recruit you. All right. Because at the end of the day, Forex, investing, trading, all that good stuff does not require the social aspect of it or the networking aspect of it. And I must say this because a lot of people, haven't started investing because they've been given the wrong taste, right? Initial taste, right? Because they've been recruited into some network marketing company. And then, they have a service that, teaches them how to trade Forex. So, I don't want people to get confused with MLM network marketing and just purely investing. You don't need social people. You don't need no team, none of that. You can literally put tape over your mouth. Long as you know the skill set, how to, go about it the right way every single day consistently, you don't need to talk to nobody. All right. So I'm saying that to you guys because I know for a fact that there's people out here trying to recruit people and misleading them instead of saying, hey, man, this is what it is. This is a network marketing company, but we also have services where we teach Forex or stocks. But they're not telling you that. They just want to recruit you, make money off of you, right? And that's not what we're doing. We are purely education-based company, all right? We're a family, and we're teaching the skill set to people all in any walk of life. It don't matter who you are. You know what I'm saying? We teach, we mentor, and we make sure that people, chase greatness, man. When you leave this academy, we make sure you're going to chase greatness, all right? So I'm about to jump off this live. I've been on here for a good 23 minutes. But I want to wrap this up. Just know that the S&P 500 is not going to, be down for long. They're going to continue their bullish buyers run. All right. Same thing with the Dow Jones. As you guys can see, Dow Jones is another favorite, and we will be seeing the price 36300 hit real soon. So you guys may want to record me, whatever, to see if I'm lying or want to make fun of me or poke fun of me if I'm wrong, whatever. You could do that. But I know that price is going to go higher eventually, and we're going to see on the US 30, the Dow Jones price hit at 36300. So remember I said that. S&P, Dow Jones, and the good old NASDAQ. So right now the NASDAQ is, in the same situation. right? Sellers are in control at the point, moment in time, but it's a short-term situation with them. The long-term relationship is what I want. That's what a wealth is. Buyers are gonna eventually, kick back into the market and continue the sequence. Why do we know these things? Because we are educated. It's a skill set that you can learn, that you can acquire if you just get off the couch, stop being scared to invest your money, stop being scared to ask questions and speak up, right? Stop ghost following people like you're doing now. Because I know you watching me from the timeline. I mean, I just know. So I'm about to jump off this live, but I want to get on here and pay it forward to you guys and let you guys know what's going on and how you can, make this work for you. Not just watch somebody else do it, but how can this work for you? Imagine you making $140,000 in one day. It sounds foreign, don't it? It sounds crazy, right? No. If you know what you know that that's one trade away, right? Start thinking bigger. You feel me? And that's what it all takes. You see what I'm saying? So you just got to know what's out there. Most of us don't know what's out there. There's nothing wrong with that, but it is something wrong with being complacent. All right. But investing is a no-brainer, right? At the end of the day, it's a no-brainer. So at the end of the day, I love y'all and don't let nobody tell y'all different. I like I say, I go live when I please. I go live when I can, and when I do, I'm dropping knowledge, man. Let me see if I can actually do something for you guys real quick. I want to actually let me see something. See something. Okay, look. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. And what I'm gonna do is show you guys something. And this is actually what you guys are gonna get access to when you guys decide to invest in yourself and become a part of the 120 Dreamers community. This is what you're gonna get access to, and this is what you can expect. Like I said, it's a community, it's a family for real, baby. So we ain't playing around, right? So this tab right here, as you guys can see, this is the community, the 120 community, all right? And when you guys get the exclusive, membership, you guys will be able to get access to this. And what we do is, right, we got, as you guys can see, shout out to my guy, Dennis. You know what I'm saying? Dennis Wright. That's my twin right there, y'all. As you guys can see, we got other people getting results, like I said before. We've been doing this. We got other people starting to implement the process and the strategies, and they getting results with it. I'm not making this up, all right? And as you guys can see, that's me right there. That was last Thursday, Wednesday, whatever. It was last Wednesday, and then we got my guy Dennis again killing it. But we post our stuff here, and we talk. But what I really want to show you guys is this. We call this visual trade alerts, right? What's cool about this is that once you guys invest into yourself, you're not only going to get the education on how to, do Forex and stocks, but at the same time, you're going to be able to get personalized messages, text messages sent to your phone, right? Daily. And what it's going to be when you open it up, it's going to say, oh, this is Mike. This is what he trading right now. Oh, this is what he thinking. It's going to be videos of me explaining and say, hey, this is the S&P right here. It's now the market equity open. I'm about to press, a buy trade. I'm about to enter a buy trade. Why, I think the price is going to go higher. I look left. I saw previous resistance over here. I think, I'm explaining all these things to you guys of my own personal trades, right? As you're investing to yourself and you're learning the knowledge base and the skill set on your own, you're going to be able to piggyback and see what I'm doing on my own personal trades. So visual trade alerts is what you're going to get access to when you guys invest into yourself, because I know that this is proven to work because we've been doing this for years, right? Just showing you guys a visual of it. As you guys can see today, I sent a visual trade alert out, and 5 days ago, I was up 40K. That day right there, that was the big day. It ended up being a bigger day. But as you guys can see, every day, sometimes multiple times throughout one day, I'm sending these messages, these alerts out to you guys, so you guys can say, okay, what Mike doing? He in this trade right here. He took an L Okay, cool. How can I not take that L? Let me watch what he did wrong. You get what I'm saying? This is what you get access to. This is what people are paying for. This is what people are raving about and getting testimonials about. So I keep going, right? Every day, I can keep going. I even update you guys on the news. We talk about the news and all that good stuff, right? Look at that. I can keep going, right? You get access to this. My own personal wins and losses. So you're learning from a mentor that's really in the field, doing it as you're doing it, right? Holding your hand as you're learning the skill set. Let me show y'all that. So if you go right here to the top left, when you get your access, it'd be under Forex Essentials. So this is the basic stuff, right? This is where you're starting to say, hey, I don't know nothing about Forex. What is Forex? It'll break it down for you. How you get started. Cool. How do you put your money in a broker? What is a broker? What is an indicator? We break all that stuff down in video form for you guys, as you guys can see. How to analyze a chart. What is analyzing? What is a chart? What is a downtrend? What is an uptrend? We break all of those things down, as you guys can see. Every single video, we break that stuff down to you guys. You see what I'm saying? Perfect example, this one video right here. We breaking that stuff down for people that don't know a lick of what we're talking about. Right? 3 things that markets do. Come on, man. Y'all, listen to me. We are successful for a reason. And I say that in the most humble way. Y'all know me, I'm humble. 3 things that markets do. Who's talking about that? Who's giving you access to that? Who wants you to know that secret? I do. We talking about it here. So when you guys get access to it, you able to come here, watch the video and say, all right, cool. The markets do these 3 things. Now I know what to expect. Thank you. Right? Breaking that down. How to place your first trade. I'm actually showing you guys me in my actual trade, as I said, showing you how to place your first trade. And then power of count. I can keep going, right? All of these, segments and videos that you guys get access to is going to give you the skill set that you are watching me do, right? And the zone playbacks is one of my favorites because, if you guys don't know, every single Wednesday, right, we go live, all of us as a family. We get on Zoom, we talk it out over the charts. Whatever questions, concerns, you ain't getting it, we talk about it. And we put the replays here, right? So if you missed it, you had work, whatever, the replay is right there, right? So I think that's enough, to showing you guys, just to get my point across. You get the education, but you also get a family, right? You get somebody who care about you and wants to get your results. Because like I said, I don't care about none of that money stuff. I care about your damn results, right? I want your testimonial. Because if I get your testimonial, I can go say, hey, Facebook, hey, Snapchat, hey, YouTube, look, we got another 6-figure earner, right? And that's what we've been able to do, right? I don't care about you investing into our course, none of that. You invest into yourself because you're showing us that you're serious. That's why the money plays there. Other than that, we are going to, once you invest, we're going to put you into the works of how everything works. And that's it. We do our job. So I just wanted to get on here and explain that to you guys and let y'all know what's going on, how you can get involved, how you can have this working for you, right? Because like I said, not for me, but for you. You may be working a 9 to 5. You may love your 9 to 5. I loved my 9 to 5 when I was working it. It took a lot for them to get rid of me because I love that damn job. But it may not be that for you. Cool. If you're trying to get up out of there, 120dreamers.com. And I told you guys I was going to give you a promo code. Y'all ready for it? Once you go to 120dreamers.com, I want you guys to research us. See if I'm lying. See if any of this stuff is true. Read the testimonials. Read the social proof. Make an educated decision like, man, if I learn this, man, I can, yeah, you can. But then when you get to want to join us, you go to checkout. You're going to use the promo code, and I'm putting in comments. All right, watch this. I'm going to put in the comment section. Y'all ready for it? You're going to use the promo code. And I'm putting in the comment section for y'all. There you go. So if any of you guys, right, are ready to invest, because like I said, it's a no-brainer to invest into yourself to learn something, not just something, but to learn how to change the trajectory of your family and everything. It's no-brainer, right? Use the promo code that I put in the comment section, And like I said, I can't wait to work with you guys. I can't wait to actually see new faces. Can't actually wait to actually, get new success stories, because that's what I look forward to. That's when I get excited, because I'm able to, like I say, I'm able to showboat that. I'm able to say, hey, man, here's another one. So with that being said, man, I love y'all, Facebook fam, YouTube. I'm about to get up out of here. But with that being said, man, let's make it a blessed week, make it a killer week, and try to do better than you did yesterday, man. All right. It's your boy, Mr. 120 Dreams. Holla. Check.
One thing I can say about my grandson Michael, he is going to be successful because he has that goal that what he want to be. And he's going to make it someday because, see, this is in his head that he's going to be rich. And it's going to happen, but he got to be patient, because you can't, as they say, you can't build something right away like that. It takes time, but he is going to be successful.